Beautiful fabric just arrived. These are two new 108 wide backs for quilts or home decor projects. These are both from the P&B Textiles Arabesque Watercolor collection. This one is called Teal and features teal, blue, purple flowers with green leaves. This one is the pink colorway, and it's not only pink, it's got a lot of shades of coral and peach, and even has a little bit of purple flowers in there. The leaves are green. These are very beautiful, perfect for backing quilts or creating a lot of different home decor projects. Also in the box was the new 2024 Kona color of the year. It's called Julep, and it is really a beautiful shade of green. Oh my gosh, definitely mint julep is the perfect name for this. So we've got these on the website, and we also have lots of new pre-kits. So check out all that's new at DianneSews.com.